All right, guys, Flex RV here in the flesh. We're just putting a new K&N filter, air filter into this. It's going to give more flow. This is the old one, you know, as you guys know, because you're not watching this because you have a 700 or something, you know. You're watching it because you do have a Warrior 350 or Raptor 350. It comes with all these little banana things, and here they give you a sticker. It's fucking amazing. Look at K&N. They give you lube in case. Okay, we're going off-roading. We got a Coleman. It's a CT200U. It's about 2,000 horsepower. And we got this yellow dune buggy here. You want to see? more power with the air filter. That's nothing. I'll show you something. I'll show you. Oh shit. Wondering why it wasn't going in gear here. And it is going in gear. Look at this. The chain blew off somehow, and it blew this right off the fucking thing. Like, it blew the plastic and broke. Holy shit. It's a huge problem. Huge problem. And it's because of my wheelies. Fuck. This is really bad. Fuck, we fixed all this. I got a K&N Air intake. K&N. And that blew. That's rough. Oh well. It is what it is, boys and girls. We gotta roll with the punches, man. Here they come. That's good. Here we go. Here's the sadness. This is, I've never had to do this. My bike's never fucked up. Besides, you know, like the little things that, no, the flies are eating me. Fucking, they keep eating it. Yeah? Well, look at this. Check this. I blew my fucking tranny. My chain came off. And look at this, it blew off the bolts right completely.
Wow.
I hope there's no oil coming out of there. Well, when I was waiting for you guys, I did a couple wheelies. And I was doing them good because I got good at them, and fuck. Yeah. Move it up, move it back. Never. Shit, man. So we put the chain back on. Hopefully the car doesn't fuck up too much. And there's no oil spill now, so I mean, it's not so bad.
Pas d'huile qui sort?
I didn't check. Holy shit. Yep.
Hey!
Regarde.
Là d'être lui. JB Will. Il m'en reste à la maison, c'est chanceux.
We won't put the guard.
Non, mais on va recoller ces morceaux-là de JB Will. Puis même si on ne le remet pas, au moins le morceau va patcher.
Yeah.
Ça y fait un genre de semi-guard.
Holy fuck, she's powerful right now, man.
Moi, ma job, elle coule pas.
Nope.
Pas en tout, pas en tout. Fait que c'est que ça fait ma grande maison. nettoyer.
J'ai fait mal?
JB Weld.
You got her.
Allez, c'est quoi ça? Multi fonction.
It's a tool that only cool people have.
Yeah, when it fits in the position you need it, though.
That's what she said.
Là, c'est un couteau, une loupe, une boussole, un outil, un can opener, un autre can.
J'avais jamais vu.
Ouais, c'est ça.
C'est bien moins rough.
Qu'est-ce que j'ai trouvé? Trouvé ça de là?
Dans le côte.
Ça dans la côte. Lui, t'as parqué à côté, là, tantôt, avant qu'on monte.
What the hell?
Ouais, c'était dans le sable, là.
C'est un petit, ça.
Holy shit, Nick! Nick! It's coming right out. I gotta get back. Yeah. Look at that. So yeah, she's pretty messed up now. I made it back. The oil was coming right out of here. So now I'm thinking about contacting Barry. Best guy I know for welding aluminum. And if he helps, you never know, we might be fly racing soon.